One sunny morning, a tiny duckling began to hatch from its egg. The mother duck watched closely.
Come on, little one, you can do it!
As the little one wiggled out. Around it, other eggs cracked open.
Oh, my children, finally you came into my life.
And little ducklings joined their mother, waddling toward the pond.
Come on, little ones, it's time to learn to swim.
But this little duckling hatched a little later than the others.
Where did everyone go? Oh, there they are, on the other side. I've got to get there.
It tried to catch up but fell behind.
Come on, little ones, flap your wings and float.
The mother duck and the other ducklings moved ahead, showing them how to swim.
Wait for me, I'm coming!
The tiny duckling did not know how to float yet. Suddenly, it tumbled too close to a small waterfall and fell into the water. The current carried it away, and the little duckling struggled to stay above the waves. A kind white rabbit appeared just in time.
Help! I can't swim! Please help me!
The rabbit ran quickly, used a strong branch,
Hold it!
and helped the duckling out of the water. The tiny duckling was wet and scared.
I'm so scared.
Don't worry. I will save you.
Whoa, steady, steady! You saved me, thank you!
After some time, the duckling paddled back to the rabbit's cozy home. There, the rabbit carefully treated the duckling's small cuts and bumps and gave it some food.
You fell in the river? How did that happen?
I had been following my family, but suddenly a waterfall appeared. I couldn't keep my balance.
I was almost swept away, and I have lost my family!
Oh, Quacky. It's okay. You're safe now. Don't worry.
Thank you for saving me!
All right, now let's go find your mother.
The duckling felt safe and cared for. Once it had rested, the little duckling and the rabbit went out together to find the mother duck. They looked through forests, across streams, and over hills. The mother duck and her 3 ducklings returned home. When they arrived, they saw that another egg had hatched and the shell was empty. She looked around carefully, searching everywhere for the baby duck, but she could not find it anywhere. Feeling very sad and worried, she returned home with her other ducklings. The little duckling rested and gained courage again. Then the rabbit suggested trying a new place near a high hill. There, under a large tree, they saw a duck's nest. The little duckling ran as fast as it could, calling for the mother duck. She saw her little one and welcomed it back warmly. The tiny duckling had finally found the family. The mother duck gathered all her ducklings, including the newly hatched one, and they swam together in the pond. The rabbit watched happily, knowing the duckling was safe. From that day on, the little duckling remembered the adventure, the kindness of the rabbit, and the joy of being with family. It learned courage, friendship, and the happiness of coming home.